today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new roles to your LinkedIn profile under the same company. If you've been with a company for some time and have recently switched roles, perhaps moving from an apprentice to a full-time employee, you can easily reflect this change on your LinkedIn profile by stacking your roles together. I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that your profile accurately showcases your career progression. First, let's head over to LinkedIn and open up your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon located at the top or by selecting Me and then choosing View Profile. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Experience section. You'll notice a plus icon in this section. Click on it and choose Add Position. At the top of the form that appears, you're given the option to notify your network about this new role. If you'd like your connections to see your update, leave this toggle turned on. If you prefer to keep it private, simply switch it off. Let's begin by adding your first position. In the job title field, you'll want to type in something like apprentice. For our purposes, we'll leave the employment type field blank, but you can choose to fill it in if you wish. When it comes to the company or organization field, search for your company's name. If it appears in the drop-down list, go ahead and select it. If not, you'll need to type the name manually. Should LinkedIn ask if you meant a different company, simply click No. Since this role is already in the past, make sure to uncheck the box that says, I am currently working in this role. Next, add your start and end dates, include the location, and write a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements in that role. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Now let's move on to adding your new position. Return to the Experience section. Click the plus icon once more and again select Add Position. For this entry, input your new job title, such as Marketing Specialist. Just like before, we'll skip the employment type for now. Under Company or Organization, make sure you type your company's name in exactly the same way as you did before. This consistency is crucial for stacking the roles together. If your company appears in the list, select it. If not, carefully type it as you have previously. Make sure the box remains checked for I am currently working in this role, and then proceed to add your start date, location, and a description of this new role's duties and accomplishments. Once everything is filled in, hit Save. Now, when you scroll through your Experience section, your company name should appear with both roles neatly listed underneath it. If they don't appear stacked, double-check the dates and ensure that the company name is spelled exactly the same in both entries. And that's how you can add multiple roles under the same company on your LinkedIn profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.